Jinan Quanyue CNC Machinery Company, Limited. Specialized in the producing and manufacturing ring rolling machine, reaming machine and hydraulic press. The company, in line with the customer satisfaction as the center of the business, can design and make machine for customers to meet the different product process requirements of the ring mill, hydraulic machine, flat forging machine, and other CNC equipment, and can provide related equipment planning, workshop layout design, preliminary investment budgets, etc. After more than a decade of innovation, we have manufactured many excellent domestic and international CNC radial axial ring mill, ring forging production line, hydraulic flat forging machine. The machine are exported to many countries and regions, which are ideal equipment for processing large seamless ring parts. It is widely used in aerospace, aviation, shipbuilding, nuclear power, petroleum, chemical industry, and electric power, and other industrial sectors. The machines have been used in many enterprises, and have been well received and praised by users. Manufacturing excellent equipment is our eternal pursuit. Sincerely welcome domestic and foreign clients to visit our company for common development and create brilliance.